Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another analysis. Welcome back to another breakdown. This morning I'll be doing the recap of yesterday, and also I'll be making the explanation on the entry we got on the EURUSD. So stay tuned, right? All right, going back to the recap. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, right? We are back right here yesterday when we took this set entry, and what was going on, like I said um on my previous analysis, was that the price has been turning down, right? We're getting the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So I've been continuing to just to go with the flow and sell, go with the sellers right here. And I'm going to tell you why my bias changed. As you can see, we got an entry right here, and the price kind of hit TP1, which around here, TP2 around here. My last TP was there, but I was already close around 40, more than 70% of the profit around this side. So I was just waiting. So around this side, I just closed all the profits as I see the price moving up. And why is this happening? So I'm going to give an explanation. I think the price is changing because I think Euro is trying to just, if you go to the daily time frame, you're going to see that we've gone to the least low of for this year or since last year, because right here you can see that this is the December 2016, right? So market hasn't got here since 2016, so the euro is pretty weak and the dollar is just pretty strong, but we kind of seeing the price rejection, right? Because this is one of the lowest place euro has gotten this year. So we've seen the price rejecting. I just want to take advantage of that. You can see that the price got here, and you can see this spike, this 4 hour long. So I knew that there's going to be a continuation at least to 1.06372. So going back to the 30-minute time frame, which is my entry time frame, all right, you could see this. So I was analyzing this. I think last night was because the market was in between here. So I was like, I want to trade within the zone. I'm not trading in between it. So what happened was I you could check out this breakout that happened in the 1 hour time frame. So that kind of gave me a confirmation of so you could see if you draw a line down here, you could see that the bearish trend right here got broken, right? And I always use the flip method, which you can see if we flip it down to the upside down, you can see that the price here got broken. Of course, there's going to be some side of retest, but I'm thinking the price should be able to get here. All right, so I will put in my first target around this area, which is going to be fantastic. And as you can see, the price is already in profit. Yeah, I think we're in profit already. So I think the price is going to get here at the very least. Even if it can't break here, we're still going to make a very good profit. And you can see this is our previous trade. So that's it about UUSD. Actually, that's we just want to see how the price reject this. The price could get here and just continue bearish, or we could break here and we could hope for more longs. So moving on, we have I'm still going to talk about gold. We have UX 100, which is the Nasdaq. We're going for the sell position right here. I think the signal was sent around 9 a.m. and the price has just moved a little bit, not too much movement. And I'm going to explain the previous trade we had on it. So the previous trade we had on it closed as a break even because the price actually moved some pips. So we entered right here and the price actually get down here. Although so we still make around 226 pips. So the price when the price got here, we closed some profit and I think move stop loss to entry, which kind of just and as you can see the price moved there. And if you watch my previous analysis, I talked about how if this OB here couldn't hold, we could be expecting it to go here, and that's the reason why we have this one here. And we could have gotten our first entry around this side. Yes, I was thinking to get first entry here, but I knew there was going to be a retest. So just as things happened around here where we got the first test and you went into profit. So I was thinking maybe the price is going to come back down, which it did, but we can see it very got back to the entry nearly. If you go back to the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see nearly got back to that OB. So as I saw the price broke this trend on the 15-minute time frame, yeah, I knew okay the price now could be getting down. So we got this sell entry around this side, and we just go into profit a little bit into profit. So my stops is above this zone, yeah, and the first TP will be down here, the second will be down here, which is going to be a very swing trade. So I think today is Friday, so I think at the very least we should get our TP around here. That will be a very good trade. So we could be expecting something like around 282, 300 pips. So I think it's not bad after all. So moving on, we could have gold. Gold is in a very tough situation right now. Because I think throughout yesterday, except for the Asian session, it was choppy, so I wasn't really interested. I think no, this is not the chart I analyzed. Okay. All right, so this is my trading chart. This is the one I use, and as you can see, I have all these lines there, just trying to, So after the breakout here, we kind of just hold on to see what is going on. So the price gained its strength back, got back into this range during Asian session, right? So all this move you see from here to here was in Tokyo Asian session. So I wasn't active then. So, but one thing you can notice very well if you move to the 30-minute time frame is that there's a bullish trend right here. So we could see the price forming new highs, right, gaining strength, correcting itself. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We may be expecting a higher low before we knew go for a new high, but the confusing thing right here and why there's so many indecision is that the price hasn't tested this trend. You can see right now the price is respecting the trend around this area around 1898, but since here the price hasn't got here to this trend, and we just been seeing the price moving up. So if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you could see, I mean the 5-minute time frame. Let me delete this. All right, so you can see that we have this kind of rejection right here, which is very significant. So if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that this was the same level we broke, right? Right, so we're back at the daily. You can see that this is 1915, 1916. It was a very strong level right here. So if there's going to be any kind of rejection, it's going to be a very significant one. So I'm just kind of skeptical about that area, that zone, trading in this zone. So, and that's why I've been just checking the projection and just keeping my patience, just waiting to see if the price is going to reject this. You know, the price might want to break this zone. Of course, might want to break 1916, 1915, and go move to 1921 around this area. Yes, it might want to move around this, move up, right? But what's the problem? The problem is that that zone is very strong, and we could get a rejection. And as well, we haven't tested this yet. So if there's going to be kind of a long projection, I'll be putting my buy limit around this area, right? Which is just around here. And if it's going to be a sell, right, then I will have to wait for the price to actually break this zone, and then I could be expecting a good sell entry. I could be selling from here. I could be shorting it from here, um, down to 1896 back. But without that, I think the price is still bullish. It's been strongly bullish, so I think we could still, you know, go bullish around this area. So I think 1910 will stand as my point of interest around this area where I'll be interested in going into the trades. So that's just the three pairs I'm looking at today. Euro USD. I think I'll give an explanation. Euro USD And as you can see, we are in a little bit of profit in USD, and my stop is just down here. Yeah, the stop is just, yeah. So USD, we're in a little bit of, no, we got in around here. So yeah, we're almost in profits, guys, and the stop was there. So I'll be sharing more updates on you on shorts. So I've been sending shorts entry on videos instead of long videos like this. I'll be sharing certain shorts. All right. So I'll be, you'll be seeing the shorts very soon if there's any update. So you guys, you get the update faster. All right. So thank you guys. I would like to. I'll see you in another one. Love you.